Yes, the diary is written by Michael Morpurgo, S.G. Sawant, Satyajit Ray, Ruskin Bond. Who has written this diary? Short note.
Jeet Ray.
Ma'am Ruskin Bond. Ma'am
Ruskin.
Ruskin Bond.
The author could hear Biju, could not see him because of the distance, the wall, the mist, the fact that he was not in the line of his vision.
C. The mist.
Monsoon
Ma'am
rain
D.
is cold and pleasant. Monsoon rain is cold and unpleasant, very small, warm and humid, hot.
Cold and unpleasant.
Warm and humid. In the diary, the author is describing Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ooty.
Shimla.
Shimla,
Mussoorie.
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 The drongos sing like mini birds, are very beautiful, are there in all seasons. Stars are mini birds away.
In all seasons. Are there in all seasons.
Charge the minutes away. Charge the minutes away. Insectivorous birds are happy in the monsoon season as they get plenty of food because they breed in the season because they love water as the weather is to their liking. Come on.
D.
Yes.
D as the
Plenty of food. Insectivorous. The sound of the falling rain is on tin roof. Disturbs the author in his reading. Help the author to read. Annoys the author. Makes the author
author in his reading. Disturb the
helps the
author in
author
this.
helps the author to read because he is enjoying the rain. Who are the obnoxious visitors that arrive at the hill station? Leopards and
C.
dongos and leopards and minivets, leopards and leeches. Fearing whom does the leopards run away? Biju, Biju's sister, Biju's grandmother, Biju's mother.
Biju's grandmother.
Yes, Biju's grandmother. How does Biju's cow get saved? By gunshot, by thunder's approach of Biju's grandmother, cow hit at it.
Cow hit at it.
Approach of Biju's grandmother. Biju's grandmother was shouting at that time, then it left the cow. The hillsides are lush because of the appearance of flowers during early monsoon, mid monsoon, late monsoon, end of monsoon.
Late monsoon. And monsoon. Late monsoon. Late monsoon.
The word raven means earth, valley, hillside, plains.
Hillside. Valley. Hillside.
It's valley. It's valley. Through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him. The first day of monsoon, the last day of monsoon, or an ordinary day of the hills, a winter day.
A winter day. Nay, an ordinary day on the hills.
The first day of monsoon. The author cannot see Biju because he is not in the line of his eyes. It is misty. It is night. He is blind.
He is blind. Nay, he is misty.
Yes, children,
It is
other can also try. The passage is written by Satyajit Ray, Rabindranath Tagore, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Ruskin Bond.
Rabindranath. I think Rabindranath Tagore.
Ruskin Bond.
Ma'am Ruskin Bond.
It is a good sound to read by. The rain outside, the quiet within. And although tin roofs are given to springing uncountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. Here the author is praising tin roofs, rain, springing leaks.
Ma'am Tin Roofs.
He is
Rain.
tin roof or rain. He's praising.
Ma'am,
Rain.
tin roofs.
He's praising tin roofs. Why he is praising tin roofs? Because
Yes, ma'am.
he is getting rain from that. Okay. The good sound is produced by rain only, tin roofs only, rain and tin roofs, rain and leaks.
Ma'am, rain and tin roofs.
Yes, because the tin roofs and it is making good sound. The word springing here means jumping, creating a season, finishing.
Creating. Ma'am, creating.
Evening, it attacked one of Biju's cows but fled at the approach of Biju's mother, who came screaming imprecations. As for the leaders, I shall soon get used a little bloodletting every day. What does it in the first passage refer? It attacked one of
Ma'am, it
Biju's cows.
refers. Ma'am,
Biju.
it refers to the leopard.
Who attacked the Biju's cow? Who attacked the Biju's
Mm.
cow? Which animal attacked the Biju's cow? Name the animal, beta. In previous MCQ you have done. They are talking about which animal who was
Ma'am,
attacked.
it refers to the leopard.
Yes, it is referring to leopard. What causes the bloodletting? What causes the bloodletting?
Ma'am, the leech cause the bloodletting.
Because leeches are the blood suckers. Okay. Why? What did Biju's mother do?
Biju's mother chased the leopard away.
Yes. Find a word in the passage which means curses.
Ma'am, what? Question
Find a
4,
word in
ma'am.
the passage which means curses.
Ma'am, imprecations.
Yes, implications. The blackest cloud I have ever seen squatted over Missouri. Then it hailed marbles for half an hour. Nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming. What season is being described? What season is being described? The blackest cloud I have ever squatted. Rainy season is being described here. What do the marbles refer to? What do the marbles refer to? The marbles refer to hails. Okay. What does the author mean by clear sky? When there is no rain, after rain. A clear sky means a sky free of clouds.